Hello my dear students, welcome all of you to my class. In today's video, we are going to talk about the chapter 2 history, the earlier societies. In previous video, we have discussed the meaning of prehistory, the stone age, Paleolithic age and tools. In today's class, we are going to talk about the discovery of fire, art in Paleolithic age, Paleolithic settlement, the Mesolithic age and tools, Neolithic age and the case study about the decay. One of the greatest discoveries made by early human was fire. It was not known how it was discovered, but हम बोल सकते हैं it was probably an accidental discovery. It is likely that while striking two pieces of flint together to shape into tools, man noticed sparks. These sparks could be produced easily by hand to ignite dry leaves. Thus man learned to create fire. It is also possible that forest fire was used by man which gave him the idea to make fire. तो फायर का यूजफुलनेस क्या है? फायर वॉज वेरी यूजफुल टू मैन इन मेनी वेज. इट हेल्प्ड मैन टू स्कर अवे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स इफ केप्ट बर्निंग आउटसाइड द केव्स एट नाइट. तो जो वाइल्ड एनिमल है उसको हटाने के लिए ये बहुत ही यूजफुल था. इट हेल्प्ड मैन टू कीप warm in winters. It helped in cooking the animals they hunted. It provided light at night. Art in Paleolithic age. The discovery of fire provided warmth during cold weather and protection to the early man against the wild and furious animal. Already we discussed this. So fire increased the period of activities of early man as it provided light. So the one area in which Paleolithic man showed keen interest was cave painting. So they painted on the walls of cave using charcoal. These paintings, some of which have survived till today, give us valuable information about his living conditions. The paintings mainly portrayed animal figures. It is possible that early man believed that painting the picture of wounded animal would bring him success in hunting. Moreover, as they didn't know the art of writing, painting was the best way to which they could communicate their feelings and emotions. Thus, art was born in this period. Cave paintings belong to the Paleolithic age, have been discovered in the Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so there are many such pieces of painting in different parts of the world. It seems that early man used the art of painting to communicate their feelings. Already we discussed this na, and the emotion they had not yet developed the art of writing or script. तो अगर जो emotion और feeling है उसको अगर आपको एक्सप्रेस करना है, अगर आपके पास वर्ड्स नहीं है तो बेस्ट वे है ड्राइंग और पेंटिंग. ओके तो जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस थे वो उनका जो इमोशन जो फीलिंग्स है वो पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस करते थे. Paleolithic settlement. So, a majority of sites where early man lived have been found near sources of water such as river and lakes. This include caves and rock shelters which are called habitation sites. These shelters provided protection from heat, rain and wind. There were also factory site places where tools were made. They were located in area where good quality stones were available. They can be identified by the presence of block of stones, discarded tools and the chips of waste stones. Apart from this, there were factory cum habitation sites which were used by early man for both purposes. पैलियोलिथिक सेटल्समेंट्स को हम लोग 3 कैटेगरी पे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एक तो है हैबिटेशन साइट्स, तो ये हो सकता है कोई वाटर सोर्स या केव्स और रॉक शेल्टर्स. ओके, जहाँ पे ह्यूमंस जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस हैं वो रह सकते थे, तो इसको हम बोल सकते हैं हैबिटेशन साइट्स. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस हैबिटेशन साइट्स जहाँ पे टूल्स मेकिंग होता था, जहाँ पे अच्छे कैटेगरी के रॉक्स मिलते थे, तो इसको हम बोल सकते हैं फैक्ट्री साइट्स. ओके, और एक थर्ड कैटेगरी है, इसको हम बोल सकते हैं फैक्ट्री कम हैबिटेशन साइट, जहाँ पे टूल्स मेकिंग भी होता था और अर्ली ह्यूमंस रहते थे भी, तो इसको हम बोल सकते हैं द फैक्ट्री कम हैबिटेशन साइट्स. द नेचर ऑफ पैलियोलिथिक सेटल्समेंट्स का जो नेचर है वो है कम्युनिटी लाइफ। तो देख सकते हैं हम लोग बोथ मैन एंड वीमेन वर्क टुगेदर, मे बी मैन हंटेड एंड वाइल्ड वीमेन गैदर फ्रूट्स एंड रूट, बट बोथ वर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन द कम्युनिटी लाइफ। Mesolithic age. The later phase of the Paleolithic period witnessed a rise in temperature due to which the climate became warm and dry. This climatic change resulted in the growth of several plants and animals. It made life easier for the early humans. This period is called as the Mesolithic age or Middle Stone age. This period started in 10,000 BC and lasted up to about 800 BC. In the Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic Age, man learned to make smaller, sharper and more efficient tools called microliths. ओके तो यहाँ पे जो बहुत ही एफिशिएंट जो टूल्स बनता था इसको हम बोल सकते हैं माइक्रोलिथ्स. दिस स्मॉल टूल्स वर प्रोबेबली स्टक ऑन द हैंडल्स ऑफ बोन और वुड टू मेक टूल्स सच एज saws and sickles. Every man was creative enough to devise different techniques for making stone tools. The tools were made by using either of two techniques which historians believed might have been popular during this age: stone to stone technique and pressure flicking technique. In India, microliths have been found in Chota Nagpur region of Jharkhand and on the banks of river Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. Towards the end of Mesolithic age, man started learning about cultivation. He realized that when seeds fell on the ground and received water, they sprouted into plants, which then produced grains. He thought of putting seeds into ground himself instead of waiting for them to fall. In this way, he started growing his own crops. Wheat, barley, and rice grew naturally in different parts of Indian subcontinent. People would have collected grains from these plants and eaten them. So by this process, early humans hunter gatherers से फूड प्रोड्यूसर पे कन्वर्ट हो गया था. तो हम लोग देख सकते हैं जो पहले वो फूड गैदरिंग करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे, अभी क्या था उसका न्यू कैरेक्टर क्या था, फ्रूट प्रोड्यूसर्स. तो दे कल्टिवेट द लैंड एंड दे प्रोड्यूस देयर own foods. So it was during this period that man also began to domesticated animals such as dogs, goats, sheep and cattle. So my dear children, now we are going to talk about the case study of the Deccan. So India's oldest stone tools have been found in Hangsgi and the Baichaval Valley located in Karnataka. Hangsgi seems to be a site where Stone Age man used to manufacture their tools. So we can say that it is a kind of factory site because at least 15,000 stone tools have been found from this region. In Hangsgi Valley, a quarry has been found at a place called Islampur, which was very important site for making stone tools. So quarry क्या है? It is a kind of mines जहाँ पे हम digging करके minerals निकाल सकते हैं. Just like coal mine, coal quarry. Okay. The huge collection of tools made up mostly from limestone found in the Islampur quarry at Hangsgi give us a clear idea about how early man used them. I'm going to repeat this line. The huge collection of tools made up mostly from limestone found in the Islampur quarry at Hangsgi give us a clear idea about how early man used them. मीन्स जहाँ पे ये जितने सारे टूल्स होते थे ये मोस्टली लाइमस्टोन से बने होते थे. ओके, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द Hangsgi and Baichaval, some other prehistoric sites also are there, just like Halur, Brahmagiri, Chiriki Navesa, Adichanalur. Dear children, you have to read at the same time elsewhere and people who made the difference by your own. Any day I will ask from these two portions. Okay. So just focus on the Stone Age. Stone Age again divided into Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Already we discussed the Paleolithic Age and Mesolithic Age. Just focus on this one, the Neolithic Age. So the extension of the Neolithic Age is 10,000 to 4,000 BC. I'm going to repeat that 10,000 to 4,000 BC. Okay, so beginning of settled life, the early man became a food producer instead of a food gatherer. Already we discussed the later period of Mesolithic age. क्या देखा जाता था कि जो हंटर गैदरर्स थे वो कन्वर्ट हो गए थे फ्रूट प्रोड्यूसर पे. ओके, सो दे लिव्ड देयर नोमैडिक एग्जिस्टेंस ग्रेजुअली. तो जो नोमैडिक टाइप वो उसका नेचर था जहाँ से वो नोमैड यू नो ना, मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. तो ये नोमैडिक नेचर वो छोड़ के धीरे धीरे छोड़ रहा था और कन्वर्ट हो कहाँ रहा था कि फ्रूट प्रोड्यूसर पे, कल्टिवेटर पे, एक फार्मर के तरह से वो खुद को वो ग्रो कर रहा था. मोस्टली सेटल नियर द सोर्स ऑफ वाटर, growth of early villages began to take place. So my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.